the mighty and powerful, iconic V10. You have the racing seats here looking absolutely phenomenal. You literally have a straight up look inside. The cooling, the exhaust, it's just so special. The V10 Symphony, listen to this. Hello guys, I am back today, welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all new 2024 model Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica, and in today's video I want to give you a full tour of the exterior of this special looking Huracan. Afterwards we'll check out the inside and then finish it all off with a sound check. So we are right now here in Belgium at a 24 hours race of Spa, and I'm super excited, but right before the start of the race, I wanted to review this gorgeous looking Huracan Tecnica. It's also the first time seeing it for me. This thing is actually not as sporty as a bigger brother, the STO, but it's so much more practical, especially when you want to use it as a daily. So it combines both race characteristics and a lot of Huracan daily characteristics, sitting right between the STO and the Huracan, the normal Huracan. But anyways, let's talk about the numbers. We have the Huracan Tecnica coming with the V10, the mighty and powerful, iconic V10 of the Huracan. 640 horsepower, 470 kilowatts. We do the 0 to 100 sprint in 3.2 seconds, and the VMAX is at 325 kilometers per hour. The base price for a Huracan Tecnica is at 193,000 euros in Germany. And with this one here in specific, we are already at 264,000 euros in Germany. But let me also tell you why it is so expensive. The exterior paint is super special. It's called Verde Selvans, and this exterior paint option will cost you 10,000 euros extra, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. Wow, I haven't never seen a better looking green exterior color tone than this. It's fantastic. The chassis of the Huracan Tecnica is actually a hybrid between aluminium and carbon fiber. It's pretty cool, and we also have the 7-speed dual clutch transmission on this one. But all in all, let's have a closer look and let's start with a tour of this. When just looking at the front of the Tecnica, this looks so nice. We have a lot of characteristics which we already know from, for example, the new Lamborghini Revuelto or the Sian. For example, this Y-shaped front finished in black. This actually reminds me a lot of the latest models. Makes the Huracan look so special. We have the Huracan specific eyes here, so cool. Extremely nice. It's a very sporty looking thing. You actually have a lift mode with this one as well. You can lift it up and down as you wish. It's super useful, especially when you use it as a daily. Front splitter, everything is here finished in black, and then we have the Lamborghini badge here on the front. It's just iconic. We have these parts here also finished in black again. It's so nice. I am a huge fan of the exterior spec of this. Wow, the Huracan Tecnica. Let me just give you a closer look on the wheels that we have here. Is a 5-spoke Y-shaped Lamborghini Huracan specific wheels. These here in the front are 20 inches. We have the carbon ceramic brakes, which are also an option. I think you pay around 4,000 euros extra for that, finished in black to match with the exterior. On the side, everything finished in green, and then also the frames, everything in black on top as well. I think this is also finished in carbon fiber, but repainted if I'm not mistaken. We have the LP642 badge here on the side, and the intakes again here finished in black. We also have PPF installed on this car. It's a bit dirty. I just cleaned it a few minutes ago. It was raining. It's not the perfect day, but anyways, hope you enjoyed today's video because I'm super hyped. The rear again 20 inches. 5-spoke, Y-shaped carbon ceramic wheels from Lamborghini. They look so nice. They fit extremely well on this Huracan Tecnica. But now let me talk about the rear. And here we actually have it, the Huracan Tecnica rear. Let me point out a few differences. The main ones that differentiate the Tecnica with the STO, with the EVO in specific, okay? First things first, the Tecnica comes with this solid spoiler, so you can't move that in or up and down, whatever. It's a smaller one, is not as big as what we've seen with the STO. This here, full carbon fiber finish, really cool. You can also lift that up, and then you have the heart of this Huracan is the V10 by Lamborghini, looking so nice. I really love this. You also have this small window glass, and then you have a view on the engine. It's just special. You can see that here, V10 by Lamborghini. And also here, for example, the exhaust tips. This is something we have seen with the SVJ, for example, and now we have that for the Huracán Tecnica. It's a 2 exhaust here in the Lamborghini initial design, way of doing it here, and I really like it. It looks absolutely nice and the sound is spectacular. Then you can see the car, you actually have a gap in here and you can look inside and you see that? The surroundings is finished in black, but it's just so cool. It's made for lightweight. You literally have a straight up look inside. The cooling, the exhaust, it's just so special. The diffuser, everything here is finished in black gloss. And all in all, guys, how do you like it? And which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the Huracán Tecnica, the STO, or the base EVO or normal Huracan? Leave it in the comment section below. But now, let's talk about the interior. As soon as you want to jump inside a Huracan, first you need to do is push and then pull. And then you have the special interior of this Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica. So now we are actually right inside the all-new Huracán Tecnica, and there is a few things which I have to point out. So as I mentioned, it's sitting right between the STO and, for example, the EVO and the base Huracan. So it's not as sporty, but still it's super sporty. Let me just show you why. For example, the door panel is full finished and exposed carbon fiber. Just look, that it's super lightweight. Also, if you want to open the door, you have this latch here. You pull it. This is something we know from the Super Trofeo racing cars, for example. Full carbon fiber finish with the latch here. It's super lightweight. Also here you can just pull the door towards you. Little spider. Let me just... Goodbye, buddy. Let me just continue with the inside. As I mentioned, the door panel is fully exposed in carbon fiber. The steering wheel is actually the same Huracan steering wheel which we know, but we have a flat bottom here. It's full finished in Alcantara, also with the nice green details here to match with the exterior paint. And you have the indicator here on the steering wheel as well. Also on the steering wheel you can change the driving mode, and you have 3: Strada, Sport and Corsa. And as soon as you also change the driving mode, you can see that by the display right there. The colors change and the design itself as well. Super nice. Really cool. When you continue here with the inside, the concept of this interior is lightweight and motorsport. So we have a lot of Alcantara, a lot of carbon fiber here. You can see the cover of the air vents, you can see the dashboard, everything here in Alcantara, even the roof with the Alcantara and the additional details here finished in green. And then as soon as we have a closer look on the seats, we have the racing seats here looking absolutely phenomenal. I love them. Full carbon fiber finish. Then we have leather, we have Alcantara, and then we even have the nice green leather details, making this seat so special. We have the Lamborghini specific headrest here, and the look is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm a huge fan of it. Also here with the Lamborghini initials, we have an interior finish with black Alcantara, green leather, and then green contrast stitching, making this so special. Also, if you need a bit more space, the only thing you have is literally behind the display here, and then right over here you can just put the key or your phone. That's actually it. Also down here you have a bit of space, but it's actually comparable to what we have seen with the R8, I think. Putting it back in. And now guys, how do you like the inside of the Huracán Tecnica? Anyways, we've talked a lot, and I have talked a lot in specific. I will be putting the windows down for you. There we go. And now we will be listening to the sound. It's just absolutely gorgeous. We'll be starting it up in Corsa. And then we have the start stop button right over here. You just lift that up, foot is on the brake, 3, 2, 1. Wow. The V10 Symphony. Listen to this. Goes up to plus 7,000 RPM, and the sound is absolutely amazing. Let's just jump outside and also listen to the sound from the outside. So now it's time to listen up to the sound of the Huracán Tecnica. 3, 2, 1, let's get it on.